The queues have been there all week. They could have sold the racecourse 3 times over. Since announcing that regular fans at league matches would get preferential treatment through a voucher system, the league gates have almost doubled. Nevertheless, early Thursday morning, Wrexham and Arsenal tickets became a touts bonanza.
I have no more tickets left whatsoever.
The town talk is of nothing else. Tomorrow afternoon, shops will close, pubs will allow only regular clients through their doors, and the buses will flow in from all over North Wales. Wrexham's hectic, albeit successful season has left them with a computer-sized problem of when to fit fixtures in. To their credit, though, the consistency of their leading players has, until now, weathered the lot. Graham Whittle, a Wrexham product, top scorer last year, a dozen goals this year, including the penalty against Blythe at Newcastle. Mickey Thomas, another Wrexham product and a Welsh international, a tireless player whose penetration of defences with accurate passes has had a great deal to do with Wrexham's success. Bobby Shinton, a £20,000 signing from Cambridge United last season. Bow-legged and confident, he's already passed his 16-goal tally of last season and scored 2 on Monday night. At the back of the defence is the Ironman John Roberts, an ex-Arsenal player. He's acutely aware that games have suddenly become harder because of Wrexham's success.
Well, it is incredible, really. We started off not too good at the beginning of the season. I think it was a bit of reaction from last year. And then we've just got into a stride and sort of built through. We've had some tremendous games. I think the games playing against the first division sides have helped, because that gives it a little bit of bonus through the weeks. And we've just gone on strength and strength. The Blythe games were actually never different again. That one took a lot of character in the side. And to get a result, it was tremendous.
And most of the games that you've had against First Division sides this season and your Third Division games, you've had Dye behind you. Now, on Saturday, you've got pretty much of a youngster, a raw youngster. What difference is that going to make to your confidence?
None at all, really, Martin. Alright, Dye's come here and he's done a good job. The team has done a good job. Unfortunately, when Eddie came in, previously beginning of the season, we weren't playing too well, and I think it reacted in Eddie. And the last couple of games he has played, he's done very well.
Eddie Nidzwiski, 18 years old, a Welsh League product, and only 11 first-team games to his credit this season. How does he feel about tomorrow's big match pressure?
Well, obviously it's a great honour in itself to be playing in such a cup tie. Whereas pressure, I would say that I can only go out and enjoy such a cup tie and hope that I don't let the lads down, and I don't think I will. Well, I hope I don't, you know.
Is it a dream or a nightmare for you?
Well, a dream more than anybody else. I think that anybody would give probably the left arm to play or the right arm to play in this cup tie, because it's such a fantastic game to play in.
And what about McDonald near the box on a corner or something like that? What will your thoughts be?
Big fella, isn't he? No, he's. I think just the same as anybody else, really. You know, you don't think of it that way. You just think of him as another player, and you try to get the ball at the back of the net, you know, and do your best.